3 months ago, I was confident in my tech skills. Then Claude 4, GPT-5, and Gemini 2.0 dropped, and suddenly everyone's asking, are we even needed anymore? If you felt that pit in your stomach watching AI do your job faster than you can, this video might save your career. Let's talk about staying relevant when the rules change every week. Today we are tackling the elephant in the room. AI isn't coming for our jobs, it's already here. But here's the thing, nobody's telling you this isn't about competing with AI. It's about evolving with it. And by the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to not just survive but actually thrive in this new landscape. Let's get into it. First, let's be brutally honest about where we are right now. In December 2024, we saw AI agents that can write entire code bases, design systems, and debug faster than most senior developers. DeepSeek just shook up the entire AI industry by building competitive models at a fraction of the cost. Google's Gemini is now integrated into everything from Gmail to Google Workspace. And Claude, it's writing production-level code in minutes. But here's what the doom and gloom crowd gets wrong. The tech industry isn't shrinking, it's transforming. And transformation creates opportunity. Think about it. When calculators were invented, mathematicians didn't disappear. They started solving bigger problems. When Excel automated accounting, financial analysts didn't vanish. They started doing strategic planning. The pattern is clear. Tools amplify our capabilities, they don't replace our value. So what is changing? The baseline. What used to make you valuable, knowing syntax, writing basic CRUD apps, doing routine debugging, that's now table stakes. AI handles that. But what AI can't handle, that's where you need to position yourself. I've identified 3 core pillars that separate thriving tech professionals from those getting left behind. Let's break them down. Pillar 1. Become an AI collaborator, not a competitor. Stop trying to code faster than AI. That's a losing battle. Instead, learn to use AI as your senior pair programmer. Here's what this looks like in practice. Use ChatGPT or Claude to brainstorm architecture decisions. Let GitHub Copilot handle boilerplate while you focus on business logic. Use AI to generate test cases you might have missed. Leverage tools like Cursor or Windsurf for AI-assisted development. The developers who are 10 times more productive right now, they're not coding without AI, they're orchestrating AI to do the heavy lifting while they focus on strategy, architecture, and creative problem solving. A friend of mine reduced his development time by 60% not by working harder, but by using Claude to generate initial implementations, then spending his brainpower on optimization and edge cases. He's now shipping features that would have taken his team months in just weeks. Pillar 2. Master the meta skills. AI can't replicate. AI can write code, but it can't navigate office politics. It can't understand why a client is really frustrated. It can't make judgment calls on technical debt trade-offs. The skills that are becoming more valuable. Systems thinking. Understanding how different parts of a business or technical system interact. Stakeholder management. Translating between technical and non-technical people. Strategic decision making. Knowing when to use AI versus when to write custom solutions. Creativity and innovation. Asking the questions AI doesn't know to ask. Ethical judgment. Making calls on privacy, security, and responsible AI use. These are the skills that command premium salaries in 2025. Start building them now. Pillar 3. Specialize in AI integration. Here's the opportunity nobody's talking about. Every company needs people who can actually implement AI solutions. Not just use ChatGPT, I mean properly integrate AI into existing systems. Hot skills right now: prompt engineering and AI workflow design, RAG, retrieval augmented generation, implementation, fine-tuning and customizing AI models, building AI agents and automation workflows. Companies are desperately hiring for these roles. And guess what? Most traditional developers don't have these skills yet. This is your window. Okay, so you're probably thinking, this sounds great, but where do I actually start? Here's your 90-day action plan. Week 1 to 2. Pick one AI tool and use it daily. If you're a developer, start with GitHub Copilot or Cursor. If you're in data, use Claude or ChatGPT for data analysis workflows. If you're in product/design, experiment with AI tools like V0 or Figma AI. Week 3 to 4, take one course on AI fundamentals. You don't need a PhD, you need to understand how do LLMs work, what are tokens, what's context window, What's RAG? Free resources, Andrew Ng's courses, YouTube tutorials, Anthropic's documentation. Week 5 to 6. Build one AI-powered project. Create a custom GPT for your specific use case. Build a simple RAG application. Automate a workflow using AI agents. Week 7 to 8. Share your learning publicly. Write blog posts or LinkedIn posts about what you're learning. Make tutorial videos. Contribute to open source AI projects. This does two things: reinforces your learning and builds your personal brand as someone who gets AI. Week 9 to 10, identify gaps in your current role or industry. Where is your company struggling with AI adoption? What manual processes could be AI enhanced? What customer problems could AI solve? Week 11 to 12, propose an AI initiative. Don't wait for permission. Come with a solution. Start small, a proof of concept that saves 5 hours a week. Document results and expand. This is how you become the AI person in your organization. That's job security right there. Before we wrap up, let's talk about the mental game, because this is where most people lose. Shift 1. From fixed expertise to continuous learning, your degree, your certifications, your past experience, they matter less than your ability to learn fast. Adopt a beta mindset. You're always in testing, always iterating. Shift 2. From job security to career security. Don't try to protect your current role. Build skills that make you valuable anywhere. The goal isn't to stay relevant in your job, it's to stay relevant in the market. Shift 3. From fear to curiosity. Every time you see a new AI tool, instead of thinking, will this replace me? Ask, how can I use this to 10 times my impact? Curiosity beats fear every single time. Shift 4. From solo work to community learning. Join AI communities. Follow AI researchers on Twitter. Attend local meetups. The people who see changes coming first are the ones in the conversation.
Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications for more cybersecurity insights and tech explainers. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.